Dobra, cicho.
What are you waiting for?
Oh no, Tony.
We'll do just fine. After this complete breakfast, including my vitamin-packed Frosted Flakes. They bring out the tiger in you.
Don't get all good on me.
Frosted Flakes good? They're great! Hit her, tiger! And you.
Tihomir, jel ti se sviđa mašina? Jel znaš ti s tim raditi? Ajde da mi pokaži. Bravo.